Welcome to Wallow Wrench. Well, the customer's complaint is they said the turbo that we installed is making noise. So naturally we wanted to get it in here and make sure that was not the case. But they also said their AC wasn't working. That the exhaust was rattling. The exhaust didn't rattle. AC's not working because if you notice there, the clutch should be turning right now. It's not. Because it has disconnected itself from the clutch assembly. Now, could that be related to the turbo? It could be that the bad turbo heated it excessively and caused it to wear prematurely. But nothing to do with the installation of the turbo. It has anything to do directly with why your AC compressor would go out. So, anyway, there you have it. Thank you, like, share, and subscribe.